That was Yana with Think Again. All right, ladies, if you're heading out to your Valentine's date tonight, because you couldn't go yesterday because of work or traffic or whatever, if you're just heading out with the girls to celebrate your singledom, a piece from Bocentric is a must-have to complete your look. Take a look. Aha. The creator of Bocentric is here to show us a few pieces. Her name is Natalee Samuels. Good morning, Natalee.
Good morning.
Welcome to the Weekend Smile stage.
Thanks for having me.
So, how did you get started in jewelry making?
Actually, I got started when I was going through some dark times in my life, and it became therapy for me, and it kind of pulled me out of where I was, and I allowed me to discover a gift I didn't even knew I had. And from that, you know, I've created this
The
brand.
rest is history.
The rest is history, as they say.
What kind of material is it that you use primarily, as you can see?
Primarily, I use copper wire.
And why?
But one, copper wire has healing potentials, and it's really good for you. And it's also very non-tarnishable, so it lasts for a very long time. So each piece you can have it for years, pass it down to generations, you know, and it's beautiful.
Yes, it is
very
beautiful. So you have a specific line of stuff that you have coming out now. And I know we brought some models with us, but outside of that, you have some beautiful pieces that you brought, one of which I'm wearing right now.
Yes, yes.
How long does it take you to make a piece?
A piece can take me from anywhere from 10 minutes up to probably a couple of days.
So it depends on the simplicity.
It depends, not just the simplicity, but also when you're creative, sometimes the juices will stop if you have too much going on or there's too much at the time. And when that happens, you have to pause, and that's when it will take days up to weeks.
Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. So let's bring out our models and take a look at the pieces that they are wearing. So let's bring out our first model. All right, describe the piece that she's wearing.
Okay,
Wow.
well, Kim here is wearing a crown top, and it can be worn just about anywhere you want to go, whether you're going to a function or you're going to dinner, just something that makes you stand out and speak without you having to say anything.
That's definitely a statement.
Yes, it
you know,
is.
I mean, it will draw attention.
It
no
will,
matter
it
where
will,
you wear
definitely,
it to.
definitely.
And
will.
what kind of stones do you use inside?
I use different kinds of stone. Right now, there's just glass stones and glass beads inside of this piece particularly.
So we have rings, we have a
rings,
bracelet,
you have bracelet,
we have
necklace,
the wonderful
and then
neck
earrings.
piece and the earrings.
Yes.
Fantastic. Let's see our next model. All right, please take your seat, my darling, so we can focus on your beautiful jewelry. All right, what was the inspiration behind this piece? Because, I mean, it looks so eclectic. There's a piece of twisting here and a circle there. Tell us a little bit about where this
Okay,
one
well,
came from.
Simone is wearing a piece that is very dear to my heart. This is one of the pieces that actually took me about a week to make, because when I started out, I had an idea in my head, and when I started, I kind of got stuck in the middle of it, and I just paused it for a while, and then I went back to it, and the pieces kind of fought together. So I call it Around the World, because it took me a time to figure out what direction I wanted to go in.
Nice, nice,
Yes.
nice. And we have another model, please. Come on out and take your space right behind the two ladies. All right, no. She take the thing, the queen thing, literally, right? Tell us about that piece. And where
Okay,
we
well,
came
VJ
from.
is wearing my very first custom-made crown.
Hi.
I actually came up with the idea for my birthday, and I thought, why not make your own crown, since, you know, we are queens in our own right.
Of course.
And then I created this piece, and I wanted a necklace to go with it, and it's made with a lot of Swarovski crystals inside of it.
Ooh, the necklace.
The necklace and the
I
crown
personally, so
itself.
far, that necklace is my favorite of what I've seen so far. I like the design of what's
Right.
there. And of course, we have one last model. Please.
No, it's
Oh,
not
no?
one
Two
last.
more? Oh, okay. Come on out, my darling, and let's take a look. And she casual up the thing, right?
Yes,
So just so she can
yes.
show you, so she can wear it anywhere.
Yes.
All right.
Well, this is just the where you're going to hang out, you know. We have a belt here. This is actually a necklace that can be worn in many different ways. As
Oh, the necklace,
as
the
a
belt is a necklace.
Yes.
Oh, so it's
Right, so it's
convertible.
convertible
You can double
to
it,
it.
twist.
Exactly.
Oh, very
right.
nice.
And she just casual going out, you know, hanging out with friends and stuff.
Do you think that there is a market for this kind of jewelry in Jamaica? I mean, primarily we see people going in and getting the store-bought stuff because it's cheaper, quite honestly.
True.
So is there a market? What's your patronage been like? Have people been supporting the business?
I have been getting a lot of support, and the more the brand is growing, there's a lot of people who love the pieces, and I think one of the reasons why I stand out a lot is because none of my pieces are the same.
Wonderful.
I don't do over any style, so each person has something that is unique to them. I feel like every person who chooses it is choosing a piece of them, even though it's a part of me.
Aye.
So I want to leave my customers with that. So that is what makes me different.
All right, let us see your last model.
And our last model.
All right, wonderful. You can take your space right behind the ladies.
And Chana K here is, if you know you're going out on a date tonight, as we say, it's Valentine's and we're going out on a date. She wants to be eclectic and different.
Yes.
You know, this is what she would wear on her date.
Wow, this speaks to the Africa in me. I don't know why, but it speaks to the roots in me, and it's very beautiful. I love it, and the fact that you are inspired to do this is definitely a gift. All right, so this is one collection. Is there a specific name for this collection?
Right now, it is just Earth.
Earth. Yes, me like it. All right, how do people go about getting these pieces from you? Especially if you don't buy a woman anything for Valentine's Day yet and you know that she's into something like this might be the time.
Definitely.
So how do we get it?
Well, you can always email me at viewcentric847@gmail.com, or you can contact me on Instagram at viewcentricdesigns.
Fantastic. See it there? And I noticed that you have, when you talk about your pieces, it's like a love, it's a glow, it's something that comes from the inside.
Yes,
so
it is.
definitely.
I've always said that my pieces are created in love, showcased in beauty.
See it there? That's it right there. It doesn't get better than that. Ladies and gentlemen, please go check it out. A few pieces from Natalee Samuels of Viewcentric. She is the creator and she'll be creating so much more. Thank you, ladies. You all are very beautiful. And we're gonna go for a little break now. But go on, buy her something. If you don't buy it yet, this might be it. We'll be right back.